أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson number 25 on the Mushaddad letter. Now we have a vertical fathah instead of a slant one. Read it equal to the sound of one alif. Read these 4 lines with me as I recite, and read them repeatedly. Allah will reward for every letter you read and for every time you read. Now read with me. Allah, Allah, Sawwa, Nawwa, Lidda, Anna, Laqqa, Allahu, فسواهن من الظالمين بل ادارك لعناهم فتلقى سماعون أكالون جنات والذاريات قل اللهم لله فلله حتى